Dominica, the Caribbean nature island. It is small, but has rich and fascinating landscape. Home to 9 active volcanoes, it is covered with tropical forest, and its mountains will reveal all the nature's jewels to those who wish to explore. I love hiking and filming, taking time to photograph Dominica's beauty, enjoying being one with the nature. To me it is real celebration of life. But while I live here for some 6 years, I still don't know all of its wonders. So, my journey continues, and as I go, I want to share with you my most favorite places. Let's go. Boeri Lake, the highest lake in Dominica, it is set in a volcano crater almost 3,000 feet above Caribbean Sea and is covered with unique blend of Caribbean and alpine flora. Most times surrounded by clouds, it rarely reveals its beauty in full sun. Scots Head, an unusual formation dividing Atlantic from the Caribbean Sea. A popular spot for snorkeling and diving. That straight line of steep underwater drop adds to the dense palette of rich blues. Indian River, a bird and wildlife sanctuary. To fully appreciate it, one should take a boat trip along the mangrove-covered river. Called Soufriere, this small gem is quite unusual. It has all characteristics of hot volcanic springs plentiful around Dominica, except the water is completely cold here. Midland Falls, the tallest free-falling waterfalls in Dominica. Surrounded by tropical forest, they are simply spectacular. Central Forest. This vast, little visited forest, same as the rest of Dominica, suffered badly from the monster Hurricane Maria. But while not really fast to recover, it comes back in a nice way. You can compare it from day 1, 6 weeks after, now 10 months after, and then 2 years after hurricane. I like visiting this forest, monitoring its recovery while searching for new photographic vistas. Canyoning in Dominica. You would descend through rocky canyons, exploring amazing rock creations and test your skill and will. And yes, you can get wet with the pure Dominica water. Woodford Beach. It can be rough, as it is on Atlantic side, but on a nice day, it is a beautiful place to swim and relax. Waving Siri, what an unusual waterfall. Best to be visited during low tide, it is not easy to access. Boeri Lake, one of toughest hikes in Dominica, it is full of rewards. Not only it is the second largest in the world, but it is surrounded by various volcanic hot and mineral springs. An orgy of colors, compositions, and sounds. Syndicate Forest. I love visiting it when I am not in a hurry. This old, primary forest creates very calming sense of connection with the place and our planet. Walking between these ancient trees is like a meditation or prayer. One can get lost in time. Also a great spot for bird watchers, as parrots love this area. Syndicate Falls. This one is not about size, but its subtle picturesque qualities. Especially just before noon, sunlight sifting through leaves is just great for photography. Split Rock. Some years ago, part of the cliff fell to the water, splitting in half. It makes for unusual snorkeling experience. Victoria Falls, one of my most loved places here. Set in a narrow canyon, to me, this place is about power of nature. The pearl emerald colored water comes from the boiling lake. It sits high above this stream and is in itself an amazing adventure. There are many more places to see in Dominica. For some of these natural attractions I created their own short videos, so check my channel. But nothing beats the experience of visiting the nature island in person, breathing its air, walking its trails, and experiencing it the best possible way. Come to Dominica, be a part of it, and it may become a part of you.